I really have I have to argue with.
Joe, I
have
don't want you to
with-
argue with me because your lawyer's not here. So what I would do is if you know where that place is, I'd jump on 285 if it took it to not go past that one.
I want to see the inclusions because I haven't rode past that area in probably like a year and a half for real.
Yes.
The inclusion zone violations are that he's leaving the home address we have on file with no notice of why he's leaving.
Oh, well, there you go.
Point is he's giving us addresses, but we can't have two home addresses. Like he just said, he wants to stay at his granddad's or stay here. That makes it difficult, right? Because we have him, he needs to be at home unless he's at work. The work addresses, I'm not saying he's not communicating. What I'm saying is he's not tracking at the addresses he's given.
I called back just like last night.
Let her finish. I'm trying to listen to her. Go ahead. What else?
He's not going to the addresses given for the two jobs. He's going other places. That's what's creating these inclusion zone violations. As long as he goes from home to work, it's not going to give that information, right? Because we're giving him allowance to be there. It's all the other places that are creating these.
Yeah, and you know, the judge that set this bond, I kind of know this judge, stay away from Atlanta Avenue Southwest. No drugs, no alcohol, no weapons, no replicas of weapons. There'll be a 24-hour curfew except for job title schedules to be submitted to the attorney and now them. All right, necessity of life, medical, court, attorney visits. That sound familiar?
Yeah, they told me I can't go, and every time they call me, I have a conversation with them, and they say, "Okay, I understand where you at."
I know, but do you email them that too? Like, hey, I just spoke with Deshaun, and hold on. A court reporter can't take it down if both of us are talking,
Yeah.
right? So I would email him and say, you know, I just spoke with Deshaun on the phone, and he told me it was okay that I went to my granddaddy's house for an hour. That's what I would do.
Yeah.
I mean, that's what I would do. So we'll put you back on another one, okay? And I'm going to email Judge Cox, but is your attorney still out on medical leave? Yes, no, maybe?
Yes, ma'am.
He's still out on medical leave? He doesn't have anybody that can fill in for him?
I haven't talked to him since I made payment before the last court date, which was the 30th.
As it,
That's the last time I went before Judge Cox.
in March or in October 1st?
That was 2 days ago, 30th.
I got October 17th. He went there. Was he there then?
Who my attorney know he did a push. He did a push for a continuance because of medical.
So does he have anybody else in his office?
I only dealt with him. I never really dealt with anybody else. I've been dealing with him for like 12 years.
I got you. So maybe you call him and see if next time somebody in his office can appear for you, okay? Because see, this could be a day where, what if I wanted to put you in jail? You don't have anybody to argue for you.
Yeah.
You follow me? So why don't you ask him, okay? All right? So make sure, communicate with them, okay? But you can't have two home addresses. It's got to be one. I understand you got a granddaddy, and if your granddaddy's sick. Hold on. No. See, you don't really need to say anything because all it's going to do is hurt you. If you have to go to your granddad's because he's sick, you can call them and let them know. I got it. I get you. But they can only have one main home address, okay?
We got that out the way last time we was here, and you was there. I wrote all that down. I only been at 416 Lindsay. I leave and I go to work, and if they see what you call them, they probably see me getting on the bus trying to get to the train station. Because sometimes I use the train, sometimes I use the car, but I don't go past unless the train is going past that area. You get what I'm saying? I don't go past that area.
Okay, well, she says because you're not going where you say you're going or something with that, right?
I'm going to work. I don't know. I work 2 jobs,
But did you
day
listen?
job and a
Hold
night
on,
job.
let's kick, like this, there it is. All right. So, did you hear what I said? So she said, did you hear what she said?
I heard what she said.
All right, so make sure that you get with your lawyer and find out who can show up next time for you, okay?
Okay.
All right?
Your Honor, this one is very interesting. So we have a home address of 416 Lindsay Street. He's repeatedly asked us to have 2 addresses, which we cannot do. He's given us a work address of UPS at 3201 Century Park, Atlanta, Georgia, and then a Dollar Tree. But that's not where we have him tracking for work. We have him going to on 1010 on North Decatur Road at 9:09 a.m. on 9/16 at 321 Swanton Way, Decatur, Georgia. 1026 882 Fox Street, 1025 360 Joseph E. Lowry, 10/24/336 Joseph E. Lowry. I have 23 pages of track points for just October that do not coincide with the work addresses given.
Is this one yours, Ms. Feeney?
It's not, Judge, but again,
Yeah.
most of these are not listed, and the ones that are, there's no specificity. So I'm once again asking on the record, can I please have these violations ahead of time?
See, I don't know. Is that what Ms. Burns sent you? So hold on.
Nobody sent me anything.
I thought Ms. Burns got you so you could reach out, that you got whatever you get.
All Ms. Burns sent an email saying I could look in the notes, but the notes just say 1010 inclusion violation, but no address, no time, nothing that we could actually defend. Or
Oh, I don't know. I see like,
There's more on this one, but not
yeah, there's a bunch of them.
not anything close to 23 pages. And we're entitled to that if they're using it.
So I guess it says inclusion, dead battery. So I don't,
But given that he has had no new arrests, he just had case management last week with Judge Cox, and he, I guess, should wait for his private attorney because nobody from my office has filed an entry at this time.
right. So let me ask you a question. Okay, I don't want to hear anything about your case. Have you moved?
Have I moved?
Do you live at a different address?
No, I gave them a full address. I gave them a whole rundown of my life. The only
Then
thing what has changed.
Do you have new jobs?
I'm changing jobs now. As of this week, these past 2 weeks, I'm changing my day job from Dollar Tree, which I was a manager there.
So hold on,
to-
this isn't going to count as you changing it.
Yeah.
So have you heard from Mr. Jones, your lawyer?
No, I haven't talked to him because he's been out. He did a continuance on the case management. He was out for due to something with the hospital, something like that. I don't know. He's not gonna be able to come in at this time or talk to him.
So we'll put you back on the next calendar, but until then, you need to make sure that every bit of your information is updated with, I'd call and give it to him and I'd email him.
I have called and gave it to them. I have emailed. They have argued with my managers. I have went through it with this company, and I have been on this monitor for 3 years. I have not caught any arrests. I do not deal with nothing but work and my family, and I have broke that down to them.
But so
And I
you,
gave them on paper, black and white, all my addresses, everything I'm gonna do, and I be at home at the address where I'm supposed to be at, Lindsay. Other than that, I'm at North Decatur.
okay, so hold on a second. So you have there's an address you're not supposed to go around. Do you know that?
Yes, I don't go around that address at all.
All right, is that a place that you have to drive by?
No, sometimes it depends on it depends on which way I'm going. Like if I'm going to my granddad's house, which is the address I gave them, the other address I gave them, like sometimes I'll be there picking up my legal work because I use that address as my personal business, which is a LLC, Deshaun's LLC.
Okay, but they can't have two addresses that you live at.
They only have one address that I live at. That's
Am I?
116
Okay, look.
Lee's.
All right, so we get inclusion zone violation, inclusion zone. So that means somehow you're going past, you're within 500 feet of the address you're not supposed to be near. So tell me why it's been going dead.
Well, I mean, typically it's because I go to work, but for several days at a time, I understand that there's probably no excuse for that. But I do charge it as much as possible.
So what is it? 2 hours a day?
2 hours a day. We prefer 1 hour in the morning and 1 hour in the afternoon.
And I know you can do that.
I think so. I have a feeling there's something wrong with my ankle monitor though, because
Okay, so we could put another one on there.
one night I charged it all night, and then I got a phone call the next day said it was dead by 10 a.m.
Did you roll over and it was, pulled the little charger off?
No, well, yeah. After hours, I rolled over and it plugged out the wall, but that was hours later. It charged all
Well, how
night.
you know if you were asleep?
That it plugged out the wall? Oh, I'm a very light sleeper.
Okay, can we get a new one? All right, if you have a seat over there, we'll give you a new one, okay? When you come back, don't let me hear that you ain't got any charging, okay?
Okay.
So 1 hour in the morning, 1 hour in the evening. What time do you work?
Well, it depends. I'm a professional tattoo artist, so
Okay.
after they make their money, then I make my money.
All right, so what time do you go to work typically?
It all depends. Sometimes by 12 p.m. I'm there. Sometimes by 12 a.m. I'm there.
And then what time do you go to sleep? What time do you go to sleep?
Whenever I'm not working.
What time do you get up in the morning?
It depends on it. Typically, I get up around 8:30 to take my son to school.
So
But
take him to school, you go back to your house,
most of the times, yes.
then you got an hour to charge it. All right, have a seat over there. She'll get you a new one, okay?
Okay, quick question.
What's that?
You did say the one time that after having them on for so long that the judges were taking them off. I've had this on my ankle for years. And
When'd you get it put on?
I don't know, at least 2 or 3 years ago.
23? All right, same thing. I'll email Judge Williams, see what she says.
Okay, thank you.
All right. All right, let's see. I've got McKinley Drakeford.
Was accepted into adult diversion on December 2nd of last year by Judge Carnso.
On this one?
Yes.
Did they remove it?
Unclear from Odyssey.
Do you know, Bostic, if they remove it?
No, they should know.
Still showing active, but it hasn't tracked since January.
That would explain since he took a plea.
Then when? January?
She said December, so.
Yeah, okay.
Adult diversion.
All right, so,
Right, that's not an adjudication formally, like a plea or something like that. That's a program, and then the case will be adjudicated, so. There's nothing to say that it's not still active as
well, why is it in judicial hold? I'll just see if he completes it.
correct.
Let's see. When did he have it put on? Do you know?
5/23/23. When he was released.
So it was in 23. What?
So that would have been a whole year and 7 months, December.
Mr. Jenkins, what's your position?
Our positions, well, first of all, certainly, it's been on for a while. We just need to know what the status is in connection with his completion of the program. So we just need to check in on him and report within,
Okay.
a day or two as to, what his status is.
Okay, we'll do that. What about, okay, number 5, I got Jane Smith.
Not tracking, Your Honor.
Since,
She also has a hold for probation violation out of Lawrenceville.
and there's a,
5/13/23, Your Honor. A day after it was installed.
yeah, well, that's good.
Well, Judge, since.
We have her being released in, she said in 23? We have her being released 6/29/23.
It was originally installed, which was the previous company on 5/12/23, and then it died. We have her leaving the jail on 5/12. I don't know if she went back.
All right, well, she's not here.
Subject to good notice, Your Honor, state would request a benchmark bond.
All right, and I don't see where it got returned. Okay. All right, let's see, Paris Drayton.
Morning, Your Honor.
Morning.
Mr. Drayton is here. He has been on an ankle monitor for what, 2.5 years since April, I believe, of 23. He's here in President Court and has been showing up for his hearings. I'd request that the court consider removing the ankle monitor at this point.
So how's he doing, ankle monitor?
So we've not tracked Mr. Drayton since 8/7/25, and we have no active phone numbers. We've tried to reach out several times. And we have him started in 2024, April 30th, 2024.
24.
Whoops, hold on, let's hear from Bostic. What about it, pretrial?
He was released 4/26/23. There was an arrest here for an FTA 5/19/25. When did you say you last tracked?
8/7/25.
I would have thought that they.
What's been
cut it
happening
off.
since August?
I don't know, I've had charging, but sometimes, well, I don't know, because in the past, I've had it placed like 3 or 4 times, and like charging.
So I didn't understand what you said before that. You said,
So I don't have it replaced about 3 or 4 times.
Mhm.
And not charging correctly.
are you charging it 2 hours a day, 1 hour in the morning, 1 hour in the evening?
2 hours. They told me to charge it 1 hour.
I think the piece of paper that they give you says 2 hours total, doesn't it?
It does.
Okay. Did you read the piece of paper?
I'm not sure, that was so long ago, because it was about like 2023, but I do know I logged them a month or two ago, and I updated them, gave them my other number, they should have both of my phone numbers on file.
And I can get with, the ankle monitoring company and give them a good phone number.
All right. So here's what we'll do. I mean, get a new one put on and then I'll, email Judge Cox. Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. So get a new one, new charger, whatever you got to get. You want to have a seat over there? I mean, not your lawyer, but you. All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Uh-huh. All right. You too. I got Felton Jordan. All right.
Release 8/24/23, but it was a arrest on an FTA 7/21/25.
What about it, ankle monitor?
Your Honor, we have several inclusion violations. We have, a bond order, it's a 24/7 curfew with the exception of work. We have a home address of 4036 Kidder Drive, Southwest Atlanta. We have a work at 1095 Ralph David Abernathy, hasn't reported there for 60 days. Stay away from 3200 Delmar Lane. Constantly tracking at 920 Capitol Avenue, Atlanta, Georgia, some point every day. 6445 Old National Highway for approximately an hour and 30 minutes. Another inclusion violation at Capitol Avenue, 920 Capitol Avenue for 5 hours. Again, on the 21st and on the 1st. So consistently not at the addresses given for purposes of leaving home.
I just recently checked.
Come on up to the podium. I can't hear you.
And Judge, I would just point out, this is LaSawn Edelman's client.
Yeah.
He's been appearing in front of Judge Carter. So hold on just a second, sir. And we, none of those violations are listed in the notes. So
That you got? Yeah.
notice of any of them except for one inclusion violation on August 21st and one curfew violation on August 18th and an inclusion violation on August 18th. Everything else is new information. So we would ask.
Come on up beside me. So what's been happening? I mean, so is this something where,
It was an address change, that's it.
is a who?
It was an address change, that's all it was. When I did come in, I recently talked to the bail bonds company, definitely, about 916 Capitol View. That's where I stayed.
So it looks like there's a place you're supposed to stay away from.
Oh, that's Delmar.
Right.
That's
Obviously,
my-
you're going somewhere. What is the exclusion zone? Is it like,
Like 500 feet.
so it's like 500 feet. So is there a reason that you go within 500 feet?
If it would be anything, it'll be going past it now. That's it.
Like, okay, is that,
The 73, it go past it, it goes straight to Peachtree Movers on Fulton Industrial.
so does it show how long it was there?
I don't have that information really.
Yeah, I definitely wasn't nowhere near the area over there.
Is there another way that you could go by any chance?
Yeah, if I have to, I can go all the way around. I'll catch a lift. It doesn't even matter. I'm definitely ain't been doing nothing
All right, well,
out of pocket.
can you do that for me?
Yes,
Bostic,
ma'am.
what do you say?
He doesn't have anything. He was arrested for an FTA on this case.
Yeah, that was because of address switch.
And then you cleared that.
Yeah, you gotta keep
Yeah,
that where you
and
gotta
I
give,
was with her.
yeah, you gotta give your lawyers the address, the ankle monitor company, and make sure the clerk has it.
Yes, I recently made a payment and I had none called. He definitely updated it. and stuff.
Sure. All right,
The bonding company, he has to go to the clerk's. The bonding office is not where you change your address. You gotta go to the clerk's office here
Downstairs.
on the second floor, I believe.
Well, I
So it can
definitely,
be in our system, not the,
I could definitely stop by there, like walk by just to make sure and double check. Definitely won't happen again. I'm not trying to go through the same thing again.
so what about Mr. Jenkins? So Ms. Feely, how about this? And Mr. Jenkins, that email Judge Carcel, let them know, but so until you hear back from one of us or your next time, just try to go over there, because I don't want you getting,
I don't want it either.
Okay.
Definitely don't want it.
all right, thank you, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, have a good one.
So.
Did Christian Dixon come show up yet? Christian Dixon. What about Eric Costello, also known as
Yes,
James
ma'am.
Smith?
The floor and get the form.
Thanks, sir.
they've already entered a
Thank
bench
you.
warrant for
Yeah,
her
You have a blessed.
for not showing.
All right,
Minnesota, maybe just walked in.
number 8, Deshaun Richards. Come on up, Mr. Richards. What we got, Bostic?
Got out 6/28/23, no new arrests.
How about an ankle monitor? All right, thank you. All right, number 9, Justin Nicholas. Justin Nicholas. One more time for Justin Nicholas.
Justin S. Nichols, please come to court, or you belong to forfeit.
Go ahead, Mr. Jenkins.
Thank you, Your Honor. Subject to good notice, state requests bond forfeiture, bench warrant issued.
All right. All right, I'll look and see if there was no, since it's such a short calendar, I can do that. All right, thank you. Let's see, I've got Roland Philpott, number 10. Roland Philpott.
Roland Philpott, please come to court, or you belong to be forfeit.
Mr. Jenkins.
Thank you, Judge. Subject to good notice issued by this court, the state requests a bond forfeiture, bench warrant issued.
Ms. Feely.
Looks like this is an RO transfer, so he doesn't currently have a public defender until, I guess it gets,
Yeah, it looks like it was Miss Braze, huh? So it looks like on here, Miss Feely, but you know, they always put that sticker over the address, so you can't tell where they mail it to. This is Kimberly Mill Road. So it looks like this one, so he needs to update his address. Because if he's still Kimberly Mill Road, I don't know if you guys have had any kind of communication with him, but all right, I appreciate it.
and it does look like his notice was returned, and there are no notes in Odyssey alleging any violations.
For Justin, there's
Yeah.
no violations. He's actually been great at communicating. He communicates often, so I can definitely send him a message letting him know he needs to update his address.
Yeah, with the clerk and with his lawyer.
I can send him a message.
Is that
All right, thank
position 9? Is that correct, Your Honor?
Right,
All right, so we're not moving forward with the bench warrant. is that
right.
Okay, all right.
All right, Roland Philpott. Roland Philpott.
Roland Philpott, again, please come to court, or you belong to forfeit.
Bostic, what do you got?
Philpott, no new arrests, last arrest, he was released 9/14/23.
All right, and this is yours, Miss Feeney.
This is, it looks like his notice was returned, and I also don't see any notes of any violation.
On Philpott too?
On
What is it, ankle monitor?
We've not tracked him,
She
Your
is not.
Honor.
You haven't tracked him?
Not since we took over the contract.
But it should be tracking it now, right?
Correct.
So same thing, it looks like his notice was returned. Same thing. Sorry, Madam Court Reporter, I don't know why it keeps doing that. All right, yeah, if you want to get in touch with him too, get him to add his address. Update his address, okay? All right, let's see. Preston Howard. Preston Howard.
Morning, I'm here.
All right, so yeah, I want to come on up so that at least the court reporter can hear you. What do we got, Bostic?
Release 4/14/23, no new arrests.
All right. Ankle monitor, what do you got?
Your Honor, Mr. Howard is in good standing with us. We've had 2 strap device tampers, but he has had those fixed in office promptly. Everything else has been good.
All right, I'll talk to Judge Dunaway. Have you guys?
We have, Your Honor, we still have a motion pending, to have the ankle monitor removed. We had court last in August. We talked to Judge Dunaway about that. He said he was gonna set it for another hearing. We have not had that hearing yet, and it's been well over 2 years. It's not-
All right, I'll email him today, okay, and I'll ask him about it.
Okay.
All right, thank you. All right.
Can you let us know, how often are these calendars? Because I believe he does have court again in February. So when will the next compliance calendar be?
Well, so it's like twice a month, right? So it's twice a month. So it's this week, skip a week, and then the next week. So yeah, twice a month.
Okay, are these required for us, Your Honor, since he has been in compliance and we do have court coming up in February? Can we
Well, all I'm asking is let's just say this happens. Let's just say he goes, takes that ankle monitor off, throws it out the car window as he's going down the street?
It's been 2.5 years, Your Honor. He have two.
Maybe he wants to do it now, though.
know.
Yeah, but it'll still be a while before you come back.
Okay. All right. Okay.
I mean, it may be even after February. So, yeah, so if you work something out in February, just let us know, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I just want to know, just making sure that he doesn't have, that we can bypass court before February. Because this is our second time now coming here within the last couple of months. And, you know, we're still waiting on his motion.
All right, so I'll reach out to him and let you guys know, because I know you filed it then, so. Yeah, it seems like it should. And when's he had it on since?
Say it one more time.
Oh, since 4/14/23? Okay. All right, I'll let him know and I'll call him. How about that? Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. All right, thank you.
Real quick, can I get counsel's name? I didn't hear her from the beginning. Is it Miss Challenger?
Challenger, CHALLENGER.
I see you on the calendar. I just wanted to make sure I didn't hear you initially. Thank you.
Your Honor, may we be excused?
Yes, ma'am. Have a good day.
You too.
All right, I've got Latona Williams.
Latona Williams, please come to court, or your bond will be forfeited.
Ms. Feely, you heard.
She was just in custody for about 2 months on an FTA and was released 9/23/25.
And it looks like she's been appearing in front of Judge Kraus and tried to change her address on September 22nd and October 8th.
Have y'all had any heard from her?
We've not spoke to her. We've asked for a schedule and a job and haven't heard back. She's currently tracking. She's currently at home.
Okay, so I don't know, Ms. Feely, can you see if Ms. Rosenhoover can call and get her to reach out to the Lincoln Monitoring Company so we can get it figured out, and I'll ask Judge Kraus, okay? And we'll check
Yes, Judge.
if she's gotten notice. All right, I've got Corey Shepherd.
Come on up to court.
So, where's Mr. Matthews? He's not here.
He filed a conflict letter.
No, okay. What do we got, ankle monitor?
We haven't tracked Mr. Shepherd since 8/9/25.
Boston.
Got out 10/12/23. No new arrests, I believe. Make sure.
So here's what we'll do. I'll obviously email. Sorry, it cut off. Who it's assigned.
But I mean, what happened was I had transferred a job to Edgewood Pizza, and some shooting started going, and I went to run it. I hit my leg. It came off. I kept going. I called in soon it happened, and I don't know if the lady was new or whatnot, and she went to explain, and but soon it happened. I called in.
I got it. So when it comes off, you need to call them, but then you need to go in and get another one put on. All right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
go over there, get another one put on.
Okay.
We'll see how much longer you need to have it on, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you, sir.
All right.
All right, I've got MacArthur Watkins. Now, I've got that one was already removed.
Descendant is, second, you gonna put that mark on?
I will. Yeah, as soon as we're done.
Yeah, just be patient. I'll put the other one.
You got that? It was removed by
He
Judge.
called us and told us he removed it himself. We do not have paperwork. He said he was checking into a treatment facility, so he took it off.
Who that was?
Yes.
All right, all right, I'll check and see. Anything, Mr. Jenkins, if it hasn't been?
Well, Your Honor, if find that he hasn't, that he has received proper notice, he's not here,
All right,
so it's our normal bench warrant, but guess additional.
all right, we'll
research.
check. And I'll ask Judge Williams if it's been removed. All right, let's see, Antoine Moon.
Antoine Moon, please come to court or your bond will be forfeited.
Bostic.
He got released on this case 8/9/23, but had a recent arrest in Fulton and was in from 9/16 to 9/18 on a theft by deception, theft by conversion, 25 CR 0056866J.
What about it, ankle monitor?
He let his device die on 11/1. Haven't tracked since then.
11/1.
2 days ago.
But he's out of jail, right?
Yeah.
All right,
Subject to good notice, Your Honor, state of request, bench warrant, bond forfeiture.
okay,
This is Anthony Pete's client. He
yeah.
had a status conference with Judge Farmer on October 30th, which is last week, and he has calendar call on November 13th. So we'd ask the court to just let Judge Farmer.
All right, I'll reach out to Judge Farmer. I don't know, did he show up? Or you know? Okay. He said his notice was returned.
Oh, it was returned.
So maybe you want to reach out to him,
Bench warrant then.
bench warrant people and tell him, or Ms. Feely, maybe you need to talk to Mr. Pete. He needs to update his address. Thank you. All right, let's see. This one, Antonio Crawley. Come on up. I guess Mr. Hudson's on trial somewhere? You still got Jacoby Hudson?
Yes.
All right. He tell you he was gonna be here?
No, ma'am.
Oh, okay. All right, let's see. Boston, Pete,
9/15/23, he did have a recent arrest out of another county, 7/17/25 for criminal damage, criminal trespass, and terrorist threats, but it was dismissed.
All right. Ankle monitor.
Your Honor, we have several dead batteries for Mr. Crowley, 10/12 to 10/15, 10/15 to 10/16, 10/19 to 10/23. It was dead on 10/30, 10/27 to 10/28, pretty consistently dead batteries.
All right. So, Mr. Crawley, what's up with it going dead?
I'll consistently be busy because I have a work. I work with my family. My dad has a landscaping company, and I be having to get up from work for I be going to work from 7, and I don't be getting into the house till about 8 or 9 o'clock.
All right, so what time do you get
I
up?
charge my ankle monitor up once an hour. I try to every day, but every chance I get or whatever, they call my phone or they call my baby mama phone and let her know that my charge is going dead, but it's already been charged.
Okay, so, but you gotta charge it for an hour, not just charge it every hour. So what time do you leave for work in the morning?
7 o'clock,
What time you get up? 6:55?
6:30.
Okay, so you probably want to get up a little bit earlier, right, and charge it.
Yes, ma'am.
I know that'll stink, and then when you get home, you gotta charge it because it's 1 hour, twice a day. And what they need to be calling is your phone. Is your phone still working?
Yes, that's what I was wondering, but I gave my baby mama, my wife, she gave them my number. They haven't contacted me yet though, so I guess I had to get on my number personally.
Yeah, ankle monitor, who's he need to reach out to?
You can, if you just hang out, I can update before you leave today. We're almost done with the calendar.
Hang out for a few minutes and she'll give it to you. She'll get it from you because this is a you problem, right? Not a baby mama problem.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, have a seat back there. Let's start keeping it charged. All right, I got UX Gal.
His attorney filed a conflict letter as well for this morning.
Yeah, how's it doing, ankle monitor?
No issues, Your Honor.
Okay, Bostic.
No new arrest, Judge. He's had it on since 7/4/23.
All right, sir, keep up the good work.
Okay, cool.
All right, thank you. And I'll let Judge Farmer know that you've had it on since 7/4/23, okay?
Am I dismissed?
Yes, sir, thank you.
Thank you.
I got Manuel Rendon Cortez.
Morning, Judge.
Morning.
Here on that, and Wells here. I
Oh.
don't think we have any issues.
What we got, Bostic?
7/9/23, no new arrests.
All right, what about ankle monitor?
No issues, Your Honor.
Look at that. Good job. How long?
Judge, going forward, is there a way that I'm able to appear via WebEx or something for these hearings if possible? There've been no issues?
You know, we all barely made Zoom work. You think
Oh.
you think they can make WebEx work? So, well, it'll still be a few more months until it'll be after the first of the year. By the time he rotates back on. Like, we said we can't put it out till what, March? We'll see if we can't put it out till March, okay?
All right, cool. Thank you, Judge.
All right, have a good one.
You too. You don't like cookie challenge?
Yeah, I mean, that's what I'm saying. He wants to come,
As much as I love scrambling for a parking spot.
he wants to come WebEx.
last minute. I'm sorry.
He wants to come WebEx. He's fancy. Have a good one, council.
Thank you, Judge. You too.
All right. Keisha Watson.
No, mine.
She's on Zoom.
What? Oh, yeah. Keisha Watson. There we go. Ms. Watson.
Good morning, Your Honor. Kate Hayden on behalf of Mrs. Watson.
Hello.
All right. All right. What's up, Boston? Pre-trial.
Got at 10/3/23, no new arrests.
And Commander?
No known violation, Your Honor. We don't have an address for the victim. If the court could provide that, not necessarily right now, but today, so that we can make sure that the stay away is happening.
You live out of state, right, Ms. Watson?
Yes, I live in Los Angeles, California, in Inglewood. I've been here since
Okay, stand by.
10/23.
So, but we'll look, okay? Because I'm pretty sure, okay, yeah, we'll look and get that. Okay. I'll also ask Judge Williams about this, okay, Ms. Hike?
I'm sorry, Your Honor? Were you
Yeah, I
addressing
said
me?
I'll also ask Judge Williams about this since she sat it on since 2023.
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, thank you. Have a good one.
You too. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Ms. Watson, have a good day. All right, now I've
Thank
got Antoine Hart.
Antoine Hart, please come to court. We want to force. Judge, I did run Mr. Hart. He has a warrant out of Texas, but there's no extradition. No extradition.
There's a judicial hold on this case already.
He does? Yep.
Don't wait on.
Stand up, sir. What's your question?
What I'm waiting on?
Yeah, waiting to give him your address or your new phone number, so stand by. All right, stand by. So, Mr. Jenkins, I think he's already,
Well, Judge, since there's well, let me ask, Ms. Bostic, that's a judicial hold. Do you know the basis for the judicial hold?
I gave him, it's a judicial hold on this case.
Right. Why
Yeah,
was
what's-
it issued? Was it for FTA? What was?
Where's that paperwork? You still have that paperwork right there? Because I don't have it pulled up. Did I, officer? Mr. Hart. The judicial hold is attached to it, is why I'm asking.
for this, for here, for, oh, for Judge Warwick?
Yeah. This is the last page, door.
Thank you, Ms. Bostic. I see. All right, let's see here. Failure to appear. Your Honor, we would just request a further notice of an active failure. FTA is from the originating courtroom. There's no necessary need for us to put in an additional one for this process.
All right. Christian Dixon. Christian Dixon.
Christian Michael Dixon, please come to court. We're going for Judge Aranda subject. This subject has 3 warrants and another 2 possible. One out of Rockdale County failed to appear, one out of Fulton County failed to appear, one out of Bucks County forgery, and 2 other possible warrants where he used aliases.
All right. Yeah, it looks like he failed to appear on the October calendar. October 3rd, so it's already in judicial hold.
Your signature, isn't it?
Yeah. That is my
I can see
signature.
that from you.
You know, but where was the bench warrant? I see the judicial hold, but where was the bench warrant? Ms. Shavers? I see the judicial hold notice, but where was the bench warrant? All right, so we'll do a bench warrant then.
If one doesn't exist. that's-
If there's a judicial hold order, but there's no bench warrant to go with it.
So if there is no bench warrant prior, just a judicial hold, then yes, state will request that.
All right, I got a couple more people here and I'm through the very short morning calendar, so. Oh, yeah.
That's number 2.
So you've already got it off, right?
Oh, I'm paying it.
Today, yeah. Okay, so this is number 2 that Judge Lefford said remove his?
Okay, I get it. Position number 2.
So we're gonna remove it today?
Yeah. That's the one Judge Lefford's want removed, and we'll do the order for it, so it'll get in there too, okay? All right, you can go on up here, and she'll get to you just 1 second. Let's see. What about you?
You stand.
You're here for somebody else?
I believe she's here for the young gentleman in custody, so I'll speak with her.
Oh, okay. I mean, that's the whole thing, so. Who's in custody?
Cargbo is what the deputy told me.
Oh, that's this afternoon? He's not, okay, it's not on this one, so hold on.
I don't remember those.
I don't see it. So, I mean, who is it that's in jail?
His name is Fenty Cargbo.
It's not on
What's
that.
the number? 2519136.
She is up there, hello.
I'm sorry, Mr. What's his name, first name again?
FINT.
What's the book number again? I'm sorry. 251.
She's 2519146.
You need a lot of.
Yeah, I guess so. I didn't know he was added on. Okay,
This is an add-on.
yeah.
It's not coming up for me. That's not the right ad.
Let's see. Two. Ankle monitor, do you have anything for this person? I don't know, maybe I wrote it down wrong, but hold on. Carpo, right? CARPO? Okay. FENTI? Let's see.
Is he in on an FTA already?
Okay, maybe I don't know. It's not coming up for me.
It's 25 We don't know if they're like 254.
He's in custody on an FTA already.
All right. From here?
Yes, Judge. He's been in since 10/20.
Oh, okay. Who's his, let's say, who's his lawyer?
Danny Posey.
Danny Falk.
He was just released 7/8/25, but he's back in on an FTA
Hold on.
10/20.
Let me get this. All right. So. They've been in since 10/20. Right? October 20th? Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So it's Fenty Carg, KARGBO, Madam Court Reporter. And the first name is FENTI. All right. So let's see. We reinstate your bond with a new ankle monitor. What are you going to do?
I have some information for the court. This is his sister. His attorney attached and showed me that the original bond order had his correct address and the bonding company had his correct address. But unfortunately, the notice was returned. So this was not a willful failure to appear. Obviously, he's been in jail now for 15 days. He lives at the address with a sister that he provided. And so we're just asking the court at this time to release him.
Let's see, ankle monitor, when he had it on, was he keeping it charged?
Check, Your Honor.
See, we'll check real quick, okay? Because you got to keep it charged. It's twice a day, 1 hour each time.
Your Honor, it looks like he was keeping it charged.
All right. So we'll reinstate his bond. You okay with that, Mr. Jenkins?
No objection, Judge.
All right. Who is this one? Who is this assigned to?
What judge?
Yeah.
Pre-indictment.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you're right. All right. So we'll, now it'll probably be later this evening. How long does it take to process him out?
We always say within 24 hours, Judge.
Okay.
Within
So,
24 hours.
so sister, just go home and wait on him to call you, okay? Because I don't want you hanging out at Rice Street, just waiting, pacing back and forth, okay? So if you're just going home, he'll call you when he gets all processed out, okay? All right. So we'll reinstate your bond, get an ankle monitor back on you, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Thank you, ma'am. All right. That's it for the morning calendar. Yes.
All right, we'll see you at 1:30. Is that correct, Your Honor?
Yeah, absolutely. And then it was only like 22 people on it. Madam Court Reporter, you need anything from me? Could you?
No, but I would like counsel to come say their first and last name. I got Miss Bostic
Madam Ankle Monitor. I can't see her.
On which
I don't know her
case?
name.
Oh, the one that's answering to all the cases
Yes.
from the public defender? Ms. Feely, Madam Court Reporter, why don't you
Oh.
put your name on the record? Spell it.
And I actually have some other things to put on the record while we're here. So my name is Lee Feely, Leee, F as in Frank, Eeley. I again just want to reiterate that I am not able to get the violations
Yeah,
ahead
hold
of
on. Did you
time.
get all that, Madam Court Reporter? Did you get all that? Okay, I just want to make sure she got your name first.
And I was just speaking with Mr. Jenkins, who said it's nothing personal, but I don't care whether it's personal. It's a due process issue. We have got to be able to have the violations. And if they're not in Odyssey, and then the ankle monitor company comes in with 23 pages of violations that I haven't discussed with my client, it's not like me being difficult.
Did you
It's
talk to
a-
her?
Yes, I've asked her.
And what does she say?
Well, I'm going to ask her again
I
on the
mean,
record. if I
the
can,
ankle monitor
if I
person,
may.
what does she say? Did she say,
She's given me cards. She's told me to email her and I've never gotten anything. So I
right.
would like to put this on the record. We could do it this afternoon if we need to, but I want her answer on the record because this is
Okay.
a due process issue.
All right,
It's not
so-
Your Honor, it's.
yeah, so what about, we go ahead and let her do that. We let the court reporter go and we'll put it
Sure,
on this
we can do it
afternoon.
this afternoon. That's
So we'll put it back on this afternoon, okay, Madam Court Reporter?
Straightforward.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Uh-huh.
I'm going to put on the record about why we can't have a violation ahead of time.
Adopted version.
You and your client can come on up to the front. If you have a lawyer and they're not here yet, just let me know, okay? Because we can hold it for a little while. A couple people already know that your lawyers have conflicts. So we will chat. How about Amanda Clark Palmer and Richard Goodine?
Morning.
Sorry, I was calling you like a.
Okay.
All right. What do we have for Mr. Goodine?
Oh, he has no violations. He's been compliant.
All right.
Good to see
Only
you.
progress. no
Good to
credit.
see you, Ms. Clark Palmer. Y'all have a good day.
All right, thank you.
All right. Let's see, what about Charles Lester? Charles Lester.
Mr. Lester was released to PAD and the case is in judicial hold, but according to the notes in Odyssey, he's not had any violations.
Yeah, we've not been tracking him since 22 from the other company. He's not tracking. We don't have a monitor for him.
So does he have an ankle monitor on or no?
No,
Are you sure?
he's not been tracking since 22. I can confirm, but as far as I see, he doesn't have any monitor.
I'm sorry, Ms. Feely, what did you say?
There were no notes in Odyssey.
All right, so
Going down your calendar.
Well, I mean, if they saying that he was never given it, there's never been an order for an ankle monitor?
I mean,
He was released in 22.
he had one then, so I don't,
Why don't we just, there's not a whole lot, we need to investigate that. Just, see what the status, he was released from custody. So he was supposed to have an ankle monitor and this is before you guys got onto it. So that was under Tricks, possibly.
I don't know, it was done by me. I don't know if that ankle monitor paid for by the county on my bond order.
All right, well, there's the court order for it. And,
And I'll check with Judge Lefferts too.
okay.
All right. All right, I've got Justin Baylor. Mr. Baylor. Come on up. Is that someone in your office, Ms. Feely?
It is not.
How about your lawyer? Do you know where your lawyer is? In a courtroom? Uh-huh. Was it okay. What does it say about his?
He's in compliance.
There you go. Good job. Thank you. Let's keep it up. All right. What about Macy Thrash?
Your Honor, can we turn the microphone on at the podium?
Oh, it's green.
It's green.
Oh, then it should be on. Tap it. Tap it. Yeah. So maybe pull it down a little bit. I think he was maybe standing too far away. Also, yeah.
Possibly, yeah.
All right.
Thank you.
All right, Macy Thrash. Where's Mr. Melnick? Anybody know?
Nelson system.
Looks like he's already got a. Go ahead. I'm sorry.
Oh, yeah, I just, if
Is there, does the court want an announcement from the state? If
Yes, go ahead.
obviously subject to good notice, Your Honor, the state requests bench warrant bond forfeiture.
All right. What's going on with this?
She's not tracking either. She's not tracked since the other company, 23.
All right. All right, let's see, Keontae Guthridge. Keontae Guthridge. Ms. Feely, that's your folks?
Yes. Now.
What do we got, ankle monitor?
The only thing he has on him is a dead battery from 10/7 to 10/8. October 7, October 8th.
What about at pretrial?
No new arrests. It's been on since 9/1/22.
Right, so, subject to good notice, Your Honor, state requests bench warrant bond forfeiture.
All right, anything, Ms. Feely?
He's been appearing for Judge Cox's calendars, and given that there's only one violation, we'd ask the court to just allow Judge Cox to continue handling it.
So, who's, Mr. Melnick? Mr. Melnick, his client seems to think that if he updates the address in Odyssey, it gets updated with the ankle monitor company. All right, so yeah, I'll check that out and check with Judge Cox. What about Leonard Hodges? Is that from your office too, Ms. Feely?
And she's new with us, so.
What about an ankle monitor company?
He has 2 violations for inclusion zone. He was tracked at a residential home and at a gas station on 10/10.
Boston.
No new arrests. Had it on since 6/25/22.
All right, Ms. Feely?
He's been on this ankle monitor quite some time. We'd ask the court to consider removing it, given that he's mostly in compliance.
All right, I'll reach out to Judge Cox and ask him. Looks like he's set for trial in January. Think? Yeah, January 7th. Does that sound right? All right, what says the state?
Your Honor, we'll leave it in your discretion in connection with this ankle monitor.
All right, Ms. Feely, I'll check with, I got a lot of emails to send Judge Cox, so I'll send Judge Cox an email. Thank you, sir. Keep it charged. So we don't have Mr. Wright here yet, but Jamarius Rogers? What about Jamarius Rogers? How's his going?
He's doing fine. He did call our office there on the 10/6, and he said he wasn't aware about the 24-hour house arrest. He was only told to charge his monitor.
So now you good?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, sir. Take care. All right, Matthew Chiselin?
That's my client. I haven't had contact with him in over a year. I was not expecting him. There's already, I believe, a bench warrant and a judicial hold status for the case in Judge Cox.
Judge Cox, what says the state? That was from 2023.
Subject to good notice and the circumstances by defense counsel, we would request a bench warrant, but there's already one out there in connection with this defendant.
I know there's a hold. Let me see if there's a warrant. I don't see the warrant, but if there's not the warrant, I'll do that. All right. Thank you, Ms. Rondon.
Thank you.
Rodriguez Gunn. What do you got for Mr. Gunn there?
One quick second.
Bostic?
No new arrests. Had it on since 6/4/21.
That's good. I have nothing on his end as well.
All right. It looks like Ms. Feely, this is yours too, right?
He's got a final plea with Judge Williams coming up as well.
Yeah. Yeah, and so, yeah, you got a final plea November the 3rd. All right, sir, thank you so much. All right, let's see. What about Dathan Hardy?
We're skipping 10?
Excuse me. Yep, I did.
Okay.
But I'm sorry, no, I'll go back. Since I skipped number 10.
Oh,
No, go ahead, yeah, Dathan Hardy, go ahead. Bostic, what do we got?
He's had it on since 12/12/21. He was in custody on an FTA on this case from 11/8/24 to 9/3/25. He's had 2 new arrests since being out in 21. Obstruction in 23 and a meth and obstruction in 24.
Thank you, Commander.
I have one violation on 10-8. He was tracked at a Reflection Student Apartments. That's one thing I have for him.
He was tracked to who?
He was tracked at a apartment complex that's not his home. Reflection Student Apartments. That's the name of the apartment he was tracked at.
Reflections?
Student apartment.
But what was that for?
Personal.
Okay. Your Honor, to my knowledge, Mr. Hardy has been, well, he's applied to 16 different jobs and had at least 2 interviews, and that Reflections apartment complex is one of the places he was working, doing pressure washing. I received an email prior to this calendar about the inclusion violation, and that's when we had a phone call. And I let him know that anytime he has to leave the house for work, whether that be a job interview, an official schedule, he needs to let the ankle monitor company know in advance so they do not violate him for something that he is allowed to be doing. So going forward, he knows to call the ankle monitoring company as well as to let me know that he's got, XYZ job interview and or I'm going to this place at this time for this job.
Right. Also, if you change addresses, all that, and I would call them and email them. Thank you, Commander. Okay. All right. Thank you, sir. All right.
All right.
Let's go back.
Or maybe we'd be excused?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
All right. Back to number 10, Master Perry. Master Perry. Ms. Feely?
I have to, there weren't any notes, obviously, about any violation. I know it's assigned to Judge Krause.
Oh, we got Bostic.
He's had 1, 2, 3, 5 arrests, but they're mostly for driving with a suspended license. Last one was 10/28/24 misdemeanor obstruction. He's been out since 8/31/22.
All right. Mr. Jenkins?
Well, if he certainly isn't here, so at this time, subject to good notice, stated request bench warrant bond forfeiture, Your Honor.
All right. What about you? What about?
He's had 5 different dead batteries on different days.
What, I mean, like, what days?
9/15, 9/17, 9/19, 9/23, 9/30, and 10/8.
All right. Subject to good notice, then yeah, we'll do bench warrant. What about, let's see, next one. Deshaun Watson. Deshaun Watson. Is that y'all's too, Ms. Feely?
It is, and his also says that he's not, there's no note of honesty about any violations.
All right. What about an ankle monitor?
He's not been tracked since 22.
Where's this? What about Bostic?
No new arrests. Been out since 7/19/22.
Tracking since 92. Wow.
Mr. Jenkins?
Your Honor, that is state's request for bond forfeiture, bench warrant.
And I think,
Subject to good notice, of course.
and with these that are not tracking, I don't think we have any information about whether that is the fault of Mr. Watson or not. So we'd ask the court to just let Judge Krause handle it.
Well, I mean, he didn't show up today. Yeah. I mean, I'm going to check with Judge Krause and see. All right, let's see, and make sure it showed up. Savion Blankley. What about an ankle monitor?
He only had a dead battery for 2 hours on 10/8, and that's the only thing we have for him.
Bostic?
No new arrests. Had it on since 9/26/22.
Mr. Shard, anything?
Been pristine, pretty much on an ankle monitor and done everything he's supposed to do. I think we're close to a resolution on this case, but otherwise I'd ask if he could be relieved of the ankle monitor.
Is this the 1024 case?
It is.
Okay.
Part of the issue was it was announced to the court that there was 15 violations.
Okay. But this is the 1024 case that I'm supposed to hear?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Now, he said I may have to get there an hour early. He said I need an hour to fill me in on what's happening.
I'm not exactly.
Yeah. All
I
right.
don't know.
Okay.
In fact, I would advise.
Yeah. Yeah. In his courtroom. Yeah. All right. I'll see y'all then. Thank you, sir. All right. I got Samuel Cradle. This is y'all's, Miss Feely.
It is, and it looks like he's been here at the court of appointments.
All right.
There are no notes in Odyssey about any violations.
All right, ankle monitor, what you got?
We have no violations for him at the moment.
What about you, Bostic?
No new arrests. Been out since 11/23/22.
Mr. Jenkins?
Subject good notice, Your Honor, state's request for bench warrant bond for.
All right, I'll email Judge Williams.
Especially with no violations, no new arrests.
All right, let's see, number 15, Tariq Loban. There he is.
Good morning, Your Honor. Teresa Mafud with the Law Offices of Carson R. Matthews.
All right, go ahead. Ankle monitor, what you got?
He's in compliance.
Bostic?
He's had 4 arrests since getting out 9/4/22, 9/15/23 for ID theft out of Cherokee, 4/11/24 for battery family violence, 9/23/24 for simple battery family violence, 9/24/24 for violation of family violence or an obstruction out of Gwinnett.
And Your Honor, my understanding is that Gwinnett County case wasn't even prosecuted. They didn't have sufficient evidence to prosecute that. And the others, were they misdemeanors?
All 3.
The others are misdemeanors. Except Cherokee County, it's nonviolent. That was ID
theft?
Yeah.
Okay.
And he hasn't had since that, since that happened, he hasn't had anything else, but he has been in compliance. He has done everything that has been asked of him on ankle monitor. And he is currently working with Georgia AAU football, and he just got a position as head coach for AAU basketball. For
GFL.
Yeah, what's the age group?
9 and 10.
9 and 10-year-olds.
All right, let's see.
And my understanding is he's been doing an amazing job as a coach.
So have you guys modified his bond?
So
has this bond ever been modified?
We had a pending motion at one point to remove the ankle monitor.
Because one of my says, stay out of Fulton County.
Stay out of Fulton County. I believe that was modified, Your Honor. That was modified. Because I think Attorney Matthews and I handled that a while ago because it wasn't possible, I think, based on his job.
That's what I'm looking for, see if it's. It's a motion to modify, but I don't see where it's been modified. Yeah, I see a motion to modify that was filed in March. But I just don't see where it's been modified. Mr. Jenkins?
Well, I mean, there's a distinction between a motion to modify and a modification order granted by the court. And so we certainly don't have a problem with him in the AAU, but that puts him in Fulton County. Well, that's a problem.
Let's see. So that's work or is that like volunteer stuff?
It's volunteer.
But it's work?
Yeah, it's work.
Okay. There.
And it's in Gwinnett County.
Did you let the ankle monitoring company know about that?
Yeah, all the time.
Okay, because it says he'll stay out of Fulton County except for work.
I don't work here. The job is
Yeah.
in Gwinnett.
Oh, yeah, the AAU is in Gwinnett County, Your Honor.
Okay, yeah, and this says stay out of Fulton, well, it says work or court. Is there any other reason you need to be out of Fulton, in Fulton County?
Doctor. And then I had called one time and told him I had to pick my son up. He's at his grandmother's house. My wife is at
Okay. All right, if that needs to be modified, let me know when you talk to Mr. Matthews,
Yes.
okay?
Yes, Your Honor. Should we, I know he's tried to change it. I thought that it was changed. Should we just file
Yeah, you can
submit
file
an
it, send
order?
it to Mr. Jenkins, see if he, yeah, send it to him. So, but all those other violations, I mean. So, got it? Keep it charged, do what you're supposed to do. Thank you. Have a good one.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right, Daniel.
Business, may I be excused?
Yes, ma'am. Daniel Pagan.
You have a card, I can write my email address for you.
Daniel Pagan.
No.
So Daniel Pagan. Bostic, what do you got? Anything?
Pagan, got out 8/8/22, has 4 arrests since then. Last one was for driving with a suspended license, 8/23/23. He was in Fulton County
All right.
for a day for that. And in on a FTA in 8/23/23 also.
What about you, ankle monitor?
He's not been checked since he got on 8/8/22 from the other company before us.
Okay. Well, I don't know how we kind of check on that, but somehow we'll figure it out. All right, thank you. What about, now this one's in jail. Jeanette Tellis Iceless.
She's been sentenced. She was sentenced.
When was she sentenced?
10/2/25.
When was she sentenced? Because I,
10/2.
He's not here.
2 years incarcerated, 8 years confinement,
oh, took first for no.
8 years probation, I mean.
All right. So she's been,
What position are we on?
17, was sentenced 10/2.
She's already sentenced in this case?
Yes.
All right.
Yeah.
Well, that absolves this.
All right.
Did I request a bond forfeiture on 16?
Yes.
Okay.
So we'll check and see. I'll speak with Judge Kraus and see what.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yeah. I don't know what's happening when they're not turning them over. Sydney Stinchcomb. So if she can go back. Sydney Stinchcomb. Bostic,
No new arrests, been out since 4/2/23.
ankle monitor.
She has a stay away order to stay away from Joseph Lowry Boulevard Road, and she's been there for 4 times.
Ms. Feely.
Given the nature of the charge and the fact that this is assigned to Judge Cox, we've just asked that she be allowed to continue addressing her matter with Judge Cox.
Judge, in a case like this, with this type of charge, I'll leave it in the court's discretion.
All right. It looks like it looks like she may be in judicial hold anyway.
I don't know what's going on here, but.
All right. I'll check with Judge Cox and
Okay.
let
Yes.
you know. All right. What about John Shawcross? John Shawcross. John Shawcross. Bostic,
No new arrests, been out since 9/8/22.
ankle monitor.
Not tracking.
Since when?
Since we took over the company in 4/24/24.
Might be in prison somewhere. Who knows?
Hold on. What now?
Probably sent an email saying he's been kept out because.
Is he in the now?
He's been investigated to gap counseling and now in the drug courtroom
So he's not in custody anymore.
and appeared in court for judges on October 14th.
All right. I'll check with Judge Williams.
All right, so
All
it
right.
was in court on the 14th? Yeah, that would be,
Okay.
before we issue a bench warrant.
All right. Ahmed Salih. Ahmed Salih. Come on up, sir. All right. What do we get?
Got out 7/9/22 arrests for a firearm that was dismissed, and he got out 4/5/24.
All right, ankle monitor.
He's only had one violation at a residential home that's not his stay on his home zone.
When was that?
37 Amal Drive, Southwest Atlanta, Georgia, 30315.
And I got this that on 10/10, you were at home for that alert. Talking to you.
Excuse me?
Oh, you're not paying attention.
Oh,
Said I'm
sorry.
talking to you. They emailed me and told me that you had not an alert, but you were at home on that one, right?
What was the address again?
No, on 10/10.
1010?
That's not an address, that's a date. On the 10th of October, there was an alert. But they said Barwick said you've already been taken care of, that you were at home when that alert came in, that you were.
Oh, about my ankle monitor?
Right.
Yeah.
That's why we're here.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
All right.
I thought we were, sorry.
All right. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Thank you.
I'm sorry. All right, thank you.
All right. Starrett Boynton. Starrett. Bostic.
No new arrests, 3/15/24.
All right. Ankle monitor.
It shows he has a backplate tamper. That means he would just have to inspect his device and he should be fine.
Wait, say it one more time.
He has a backplate tamper. which means he might have hit his ankle monitor on something. We just need to inspect it, make sure he's still on his ankle, and we should be good to go.
So you just need somebody to look at it, or where somebody's going to look at it?
I can do it.
Okay, and just hang out for a second. We're almost done. All right, thank you. All right, let's see, Jemiah Sullivan. Jemiah Sullivan, Bostic.
Sullivan, no new arrests, 2/24/25.
Ankle monitor.
We don't have anything on her.
All right, Mr. Showalter. Looks like you've got a motion in here anyway, right?
Yeah, I do have a pending motion to remove the ankle monitor and modify bond conditions if the court would consider that this time.
She's still living in that location, or
Yeah, yeah.
Mr. Jenkins? I don't know if you got it pulled up.
We certainly would, given that there's two capital offenses charged here in this matter. And when was this person placed on the ankle monitor? It's pre-indictment, so it's fairly recent.
It was February 24th.
All right. With those offenses, we certainly object to the removal of an ankle monitor.
So let's get, and also ask for modify the 24-hour curfew. So what does she need it?
Yeah,
No,
I
but put it
want-
on the record what she needs it modified.
Okay, so if the conditions are difficult for her to maintain because she's really doing like hotel living, and she doesn't have much of a criminal history at all. It's and so I'll be asking the court, this is her second time in front of you regarding the compliance hearings, and she's been found to be compliant both times. And since she's had this thing on since the 24th, she's been doing the best she can with it. Anytime she has to go anywhere, she is calling up the ankle monitor company.
Is she able to work?
She is able to work, but it's, things are tough.
I mean, is the ankle monitor hindering her ability to work? I guess that's what I'm looking at for the 24-hour curfew.
I mean, would you say so?
I mean, Spicy did die at work. I know that.
Yeah.
But other than that,
All right.
Because it says with exceptions of work, legal, medical emergency, or I didn't do this as appointment, which I don't know what that means. So if you want to send it to Mr. Jenkins, and because I don't know when you'll be back on the calendar for is this on the, yeah, well, 10/21. No, looks like it's back on 10/21. Yeah, it looks like you're on for 10/21 at 9 a.m. to be. We'll let them talk about that, okay?
All right.
All right, thank you, ma'am.
Do that.
All right, I got, this one's in jail, Powers Sebron.
Yeah, been in custody 8/5/25 for an FTA on another case, 24 SC 004345, ag assault, firearm by.
Go ahead.
Hold on. He's been in jail since 8/5/25. I think we were here for that.
You want to bring him out?
Yes.
Yeah. What was that case number 24?
24 SC 004345.
So on these charges, it looks like he got out in February.
Initially 1/24/25 on this case.
I hate to make you do it again, Bostic, but preach.
He's been in custody since 8/5/25 on the open case, 24 SC 004345, ag assault, firearm by. He got it out on this case, 1/24/25.
All right, and ankle monitor.
We took off the ankle monitor last time we were here for his,
For him to go to jail?
mhm.
Okay. Let me see. Let me go up to the other case. 24. Mr. Jenkins. Yes.
He doesn't have an ankle monitor on. I mean, he's in custody.
Yeah.
So, I mean, is there a formal removal order from the court?
Okay. So you were set for trial on, where, wait, is it still, you were set for trial for this one, right? On October 14th? How you doing?
Oh, how you doing, Judge?
You were
ma'am?
set for trial, right? October 14th?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. All right, I'll reach out to Judge Dunaway. All right, let me see what Judge Dunaway wants. When you get out there, you're gonna have to report, okay? And tell them that you need to put an ankle monitor back on.
All right, no problem.
Ms. Feely?
This is his mother, but unfortunately, it looks to me like he's in jail on the 34SC case with Judge Dunaway, so that the court wouldn't be able to
Right,
do anything to release him at this point.
that's it.
That particular case.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Am I gonna be able to get released?
Well, I'm gonna talk to Judge Dunaway. All right, Janisha Crumbly. Come on up, Ms. Crumbly. Go ahead.
No new arrests, had it on 6/22/25.
Ankle monitor.
We don't have anything on her. The only thing is she lives really close to her stay away zone, about 300 feet away from it. So we have a lot of GPS drift.
He speaks too fast for me to
sorry.
understand.
Yeah, okay, hold on.
We have no violations
Hold on,
for her.
hold on one second. Hey, tell to the. All right, go ahead, one more time.
We have no violations for her at this moment, but she lives about 300 feet from her stay away zone. So we have a lot of GPS drifts, which is not violation, no violations.
Okay.
Go ahead.
All right. I mean, it sounds like there's no violations. And if I understand, he's just saying that she happens to live close to the stay away location. And so they can't really be calling it violations.
Guess you gotta be careful and tiptoe around there, because you know where you're supposed to stay away from, right?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, outstanding. Thank you, ma'am. Have a good day.
You too.
All right, on the add-on calendar, we got, yeah. Oh, no.
Let me see.
Hold on.
Oh, here it is.
Didn't have it.
No.
Right.
Anybody got an extra?
Bostic didn't have it. You got an extra one?
Probably gonna have the histories on it, but
I don't know. All right, I got, is it Ania Shavers? Come on up, ma'am. Come on up to the podium. Where's, there he is. Oh, here's Mr. Ribson. He had to. Hey, I got him. Yeah, he's on here. Hold on one second. Let him get in here. Mr. Remsen.
yeah, no.
Hey, Your Honor.
Hey, how are you? All right, go ahead. Bostic, you have anything? Or let me take the ankle monitor first.
History's not in there. She got out 7/26/25.
All right, ankle monitor company. Anything?
I don't have anything on her, but let me confirm on my end over here.
Do you understand him? Mr. Remsen, did you understand him?
Yes, thank you, Judge.
All right, hold on one sec.
No, man, we don't have anything for her.
All right, outstanding. Good job. Just keep it charged, okay? Thank you, ma'am. All right,
Perfect,
thank you,
thank
Mr. Benson.
Thank
Have a
you,
good
Your
day.
Honor.
Have a good day. All right, I got Cordero Brewster, number 2, Cordero Brewster. Bostic, you don't have anything on him either. So what about ankle monitor?
He just got out 7/2/25 after spending 736 days in custody.
I think he has. final plea in front of Judge Leffridge on the 24th. Is this yours, Miss Feely?
Let's see.
Position 2 on the add-on?
Yeah, number 2 on that, on the add-on.
This is the one that is with Judge Leffridge. It is one of ours. I mean, there were any notes and obviously about any violations.
No new arrest, Judge.
Okay. Yeah, I saw that. All right, I'll let, all right. What says the state, Mr. Jenkins?
How long has it been out?
7-2.
And it was placed with an ankle monitor as upon its release?
Yeah.
That's a bench warrant bond forfeiture.
All right. All right, about Daniel Gabriel. Outstanding.
And on number 2, I didn't hear if there were any ankle monitor violations. Did I miss that part?
No, he doesn't. We don't have anything on him.
You don't, they don't have, you don't have anything on him? What does that mean?
He has no violations. He's in compliance.
Well, where's he at right now? Can you see? Because he's not here, he's not at 136 prior.
He's at 1317 Sharon Street, Atlanta, Georgia. From 10:07 a.m.
Interpreter on this one? Right, you swear or affirm you'll translate from English to Spanish, Spanish to English, to the best of your knowledge, skills, and abilities.
Yes.
All right.
No new arrests. Let me see when he got out. Just a second.
I assume this is Daddy Neighbor.
Got out 7/29/25.
All right. Ankle monitor.
Daniel Gabriel. He has no violations in compliance at this moment.
Él ha estado cumpliendo con las reglas del grillete electrónico, no ha quebrado ninguna regla del grillete electrónico.
All right, thank you. Ms. Feely, you want anything other than have a good day, right? All right. Thank you, sir. Have a good day. Just keep it charged. If you go anywhere and have to do something, make sure you notify the ankle monitor company.
Gracias, señor. Usted está cumpliendo. Si usted tiene que salir o tiene que moverse, por favor, mantenga a la compañía del grillete electrónico al tanto de su paradero. También asegúrese de mantener su grillete electrónico cargado. Tengo una pregunta. I have a question.
Oh, my goodness. Okay.
No hay ningún problema que yo me vaya a otro estado por asuntos como de, no sé, algún, como por ejemplo, si tengo que ir a visitar a mi familia por un día o algo así.
So I'm wondering if there would be any issue if I were to leave the state, like perhaps if I were to visit a relative out of state for perhaps a day, would there be any issue with that?
Let's see.
Vamos a ver.
So since Ms. Feely doesn't have it, I will tell you. I'll put this.
No tiene ahí, déjeme ver su expediente.
So looks like your bond conditions are stay away from 1620 Hollywood Road.
Parece que la condición de su fianza es de que usted se mantenga alejado del 1620 Hollywood Road.
No weapons, no alcohol.
Y de que no tendrá armas ni alcohol.
No drugs without a legal prescription.
Y de que no tendrá drogas sin que se les sean recetas legalmente.
And no further contact with Jennifer Lopez.
Y de que no tendrá contacto con Jennifer López.
So that'll help Ms. Feely answer your question, okay?
No sé si eso le ayudará a la señora Feely a responder su pregunta.
Is there anything he needs to do for the ankle monitor company? I understand he doesn't have a bond condition.
Yeah. I would say let them know. Now, what do you feel about him going out of state?
Díganle, ¿cómo se siente si es que él sale fuera del estado? Le pregunta.
I apologize, Your Honor.
That's okay.
Take a motion.
Disculpa.
I mean, he doesn't have any conditions to like stay in it. He didn't have a 24-hour or anything like that. What do you say about him like going out of state to see a relative?
I don't have an objection as long as there is notice given to pretrial and the ankle monitor company and the court itself, establishing where he will be located and his time of return.
Okay.
Tiene expectativa de que él regresará al estado.
You good?
¿Le
All right.
parece bien? Sí.
I got this.
Thank you.
Gracias.
Thank you. Thank you. The interpreter be excused.
Yes, didn't you sign your piece of paper?
Yes.
All right, you can bring it up.
Your
What
Honor,
about,
can I get the name of the interpreter?
excuse me, can you go ahead and say and spell your name for the,
Juan Bernal, Juanbernal.
Thank you.
all right, let's see, I've got Deontay Bryant. Thank you, sir. All right, free trial.
No new arrests, got out 7/11/25.
All right, ankle monitor.
He's been in compliance.
All right. Let's see, unindicted yet. Well, it's good to see you though, Mr. Hines.
Good to see you
All right, thank you, sir. Just make sure if there's anything that you need, you make sure you call the ankle monitoring company and your lawyer, okay?
Okay.
All right, thank you, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor. May we be excused?
Yes, sir. Have a good week. All right, I got Kendrell Knox. Kendrell Knox. So. So I'll tell you that with this one, it's kind of been back and forth where he's changed his address and that's where Mr. Mohammed says, oh, well, it's in Odyssey. And it's, let's see, it's Judge Schwall. So I'll ask Judge Schwall, it's supposed to have a November trial date. Let's see. I can't really tell when this one. Okay. So I don't know where Mr. Muhammad is. Bostic, anything?
He got out 6/23/24, 2 arrests since then, an open case now for a controlled substance and driving with a suspended license, and was arrested also on an FTA on a battery 6/21/25, got out 7/15/25.
Ankle monitor.
The only thing we have on him is low batteries, but they're not really dead. It's really, really low.
Okay, low batteries, but it's.
Still tracking. Isn't like 2%, 3% on the batteries. We should just call him and make sure he's charging his device.
So where's he at now?
He is at
Besides not at 136 prior.
128 Shadow Creek, Fairburn, Georgia.
Let's see.
Was a hearing notice about the person who secured bond, so that was not to him. It didn't come with that only.
Where was the other one sent?
Chief Wills.
No, what address? Was it sent to the address he just called out or was it sent to the address there? You sent one to who was on his bond also?
Address. 600.
Because in Odyssey, it says Lake Royal Drive. Is that the address you have for him?
The address I have from is 849 Wagon Wheel Circle.
I got Lake Royal Drive in this way.
Did the notice sent to him come back?
No, the notice is him now.
Okay. Mr. Jenkins.
Thank you, Judge. At this time, subject to good notice, being checked. If it wasn't his court, state request bench warrant, powerful.
All right.
Unfortunately,
Thank you.
in trafficking.
Judge,
Yeah.
going back to, what's his name, Shawcross? It shows that he got out for a violation of 11/1/24 in the cab system. That he's not still in there by their system. He was in there for a violation of drug court, but he's not in there now.
For Shellcross, that's,
Uh-huh.
what number is that again?
Number 19.
So he's not in there.
No, he was booked in 10/31/24, got out 11/1/24.
So Miss Feely, he's not in DeKalb County, Mr. Shellcross. Ma'am, you sit. Ms. Feely. Now, so, number 19, he's not in DeKalb County. Pretrial said he got out.
But he did have court, looks like, with Judge Williams last week. Given that he has no new arrests, and it sounded like he was in the DeKalb County drug court program. It would be relatively easy to track down, but if he was, we would just ask the court to allow Judge Williams to continue dealing with it. And position 19, I think, also has a private attorney.
Oh, she's not with y'all anymore?
She did not, I mean, I'm happy to at least advocate for him not to get a bench warrant.
That's all right. So what I'll do is I'll talk with Judge Williams too, see if he showed up. If not, because I don't see where everything's been returned. All right?
Oh, good, Judge.
Anything else? Adios, you can leave.
Sorry.
Oh, okay.
Mr. Daniel would like Madam Feely's phone number.
Oh.
You can contact her if he's going out of town.
Well, I don't think she's his.
Or the public defender's phone number.
Oh, okay. Because I don't think she's his lawyer.
Oh,
It's somebody else, but she's here for the public defender's office.
right.
Yeah. All right. Anything from anybody else? Outstanding job, Madam Court Reporter.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And the only thing I need is just the second chance representative's first and last name.
All right.
First name is Anderson, Anderson. Last name is Kamau, Kamau.
All right, that's all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Have a great
good one.
day.
You too.
Judge,
Yo.
is there 1:30 calendar?
No.
What started as a routine bond compliance hearing quickly turned into a serious warning. A defendant appeared before the court after officials reported multiple violations involving his ankle monitor. According to monitoring officers, he wasn't always where he claimed to be, and there was confusion about the addresses he was using. The court had one home address on file, but the defendant kept mentioning another location where he frequently stayed. The judge listened carefully, but quickly got to the point. If you're on bond, the rules are simple. Communicate, follow the approved schedule, and make sure authorities know exactly where you're going. Then came the warning. The judge told him that showing up without a lawyer was risky because if the court decided to take action, nobody would be there to argue on his behalf. "What if I want to put you in jail?" the judge asked. The courtroom went silent. Instead of revoking the bond, the judge gave him another chance. But he made one thing crystal clear. There can only be one official home address, and every trip away from that address must be properly communicated. In the end, the defendant avoided jail. But the judge's message was unmistakable. When you're out on bond, communication isn't optional. It's what keeps your freedom intact.